Guy in an ice cream costume is walking around now. But yeah, just promotion. Hello people of the internet. Well, welcome back to another video. We're here at the moment in Blackpool town centre. We're just walking towards the new Wendys. I believe that opens this morning. Yeah, we're going to try and get that opening. If it's not too busy, we'll go in, but I think it's going to be packed. But yeah, I'll pick up when we get there. Well, hello. We're back at Wendy's over across the road. It's about 10:05. I've just gone. And there's already a massive queue outside, so it's just a case of we have got a voucher for a free burger, which I'll show you. So I will be getting in the queue to go and get that. But yeah, I'll just show you across there. That's the front of it. And then if we just go across the road, I will show you the queue as well. So there's the front door. There's Phil now in the doorway. He's been here since about 8:30, sat in the doorway, but yeah. So he'll be the first one in. There is a few of us here, but yeah, that's the queue. Like I say, there is still about half an hour, 25 minutes, half an hour to go. And look at the queue already. Might take a while to get this burger, but we might as well try it if it's free. But yeah, lovely day in Blackpool today. You got the wedding chapel building across the road. Lovely building, we have featured it before. There is quite a few people about, but yeah. Wendy's across the road, opening at 10:30. We'll get some more footage as I can, and I'm going to get in the queue shortly before it gets any longer. Yeah, guy in an ice cream costume is walking around now. But yeah, just promotion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are waiting in the queue. Yeah, get in when we can. Right guys, we have got in, got a burger. Took about 50 minutes to get in from the opening. But yeah, as you can see, here's the burger. So we're just going to chill somewhere quickly and review it. So just find somewhere to chill and then we will get it done. So yeah. Burger. Let's get it open and have a look. So guys, that is the burger. As you can see, it does look quite good. Let's give it a try. Do you know what? Not bad at all. Plenty of flavour. So yeah, we have just finished the burger. It's really nice actually. We did get it free, so can't really complain anyway, but plenty of taste to it. Plenty of taste to it. And I would go again, actually. That's something different to Mackey's, but yeah, really nice, really nice. There was a few more people in the queue that we know, so we're going to try and speak to them, see what they think of it, get reviews out of them. But yeah, we're gonna head down to Bonny Street now, get a quick update on that, and then yeah, we'll see where things go, see where the day takes us. See you when we get back there. We'll see you when we get down there. Just walked in Central Pier quick, and look what we found. Elvis is here. Elvis has entered the building. Just as we approach now, they are doing something. I'll just spin the camera up. But yeah, there is movement over there. Don't know where's going to be the best place to get a decent shot here, but yeah, that's what they're doing so far. That's what they're doing at the moment. But yeah, it's just a case of see how far they get with it, I suppose. But yeah, you got the turquoise digger over there. Just zoom in, look. He's doing some cleaning. But yeah, punching away there. We'll have a wander down to the bridge, see what views we can get from up there, but we might end up back down here soon. But yeah, pick up again shortly. So we are just on top of the bridge now. You can't see a major amount. The turquoise digger there, and there's another digger there, so things could get a bit spicy today. Right, so I am here at the moment with Philnat 2011. I will put a link in the description to his channel. He does a lot of demolition stuff with the Bonny Street update. He also did the Wendy's opening today, and he was the first one in the queue. So yeah, we're going to get his views on stuff. We're going to see what he thinks. And for being first in the queue, he also got... That's the jacket. Really nice. That's Philnat. So I'll just move a bit closer. So, you were the first one in the queue today. What did you think of the food?
It was fine, no problem.
What did you get food-wise? Did you just use the free burger voucher, or...?
I also got some medium chips, fries.
Yeah, she got some medium chips. So yeah, overall, would you say it's better than Mackey's, on a par with Mackey's, worse?
Same. I don't think I've been in McDonald's for years, so
Oh, well, there you go.
I don't really need them that much.
But yeah, from your opinion, really good food, you'd go again.
Yeah, go.
There we go, that's a yes from him. It's a yes from me as well, the food was brilliant. But yeah, thank you for that. This is Philnat 2011. Channel will be in the description. I will leave a link, so go and show him some support. And subscribe to his channel if you're new. And we've got another piece of equipment coming. So yeah. So we are going to get equipment coming in slowly now. Over the next few weeks to month or so. It's all going to be different stuff. I don't know if it's actually going in or not. We'll find out in a minute. He's not going in here. I don't know where he's going with it, but it hasn't turned up for nothing, has it? Yeah, we'll just keep an eye. Yes, it does look like he's coming out. So I don't know where he's going. No idea where he's going, unless he's going to the joke shop area, which he might be. So yeah, we'll just get him as he goes past, and then we'll move over to the other side quickly. See where he's gonna go. So yeah, there he is. Is he going into the joke shop side? No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, hang on, he is turning. So he is going to the site where the joke shop was knocked down, or where the joke shop was. So might have to go and have a nosy around there before I leave, just to see what's going on, because I'm a bit of a nosy bitch. But yeah, alright, let's get back over this. All three are moving now. So, got matey boy over there. little turquoise, and him down there. None of them doing a major amount at the moment, but yeah. So this is just a view of the other side. Nothing really happened here yet. They have been up top throwing a few things down. That was a few weeks ago now, but yeah, not much happening. Well, nothing at all happening this side yet. There's the police station. Obviously that's what we're all waiting for to come down. I think that's going to be the best bit. Not 100% sure how they're going to do it, but yeah. So we are just going to get a video of some of the graffiti, or artwork as I prefer to call it. Some of it's really good. It's going to be a shame to see it go, really, but yeah. We are just round the back of where the joke shop was now. It's not a major amount happening. I can't see that other vehicle that's just turned up either. Yeah. They are doing a bit of work. I believe this is a grade 2 listed building, so it can't come down. So it is going to have to be repaired at some point. But yeah, that's the side of the joke shop. Or the old joke shop. And yeah, we'll walk around the other side. See if we can see anything from there. So yeah, we are just around the other side of the joke shop now. And I ain't got a clue where that vehicle's gone. I haven't got a clue, but it definitely isn't here. So yeah, there's not a major amount. I'll show you where we are. So obviously there's the car park, which is behind that. But yeah, that's what we can see from where we are. Nothing happening really. I assume we're just going to be clearing it up, tidying it up. But yeah, or maybe they're the team that are repairing it. But yeah, nothing to see here, so let's move on. So yeah, I've just come around the other side and he is knocking this bit down now, crunching away. Crunch, crunch, crunch. There we go. Oh, hello. An idiot. So we are just on Bonny Street now. This is a view of the side. So yeah, we'll have a wander down. Just get a view of this side for you. Bridge is there, that's still there, it's not moved yet. But yeah, it's obviously the police station stuck up out top. Old entrance to the car park there, the indoor car park. I believe that was just for police vehicles, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, we're walking down now. There's the bridge. Not 100% sure when that will be coming down now. Actually, if we can get up these stairs, a quick wander. Because why not? These stairs here. There's a railing at the top. But yeah, why not? Let's go and have a nosy. Get up the stairs. But yeah. But yeah, this is the view from the top of here. Obviously there is a fence here, so can't get the best view, but there's the court building. Better view of the police station. That's the car park down there. There's a bit of a state here. Let's get back down the stairs. Get round at the front of the old police station. Get a bit of video there. I think that's where we're going to end the video off. But yeah, let's get down there. We'll go back down this way. Bridge is still there. So that's the view of the old car park. It's all shut off now. Little central car park over there. Quite a new building. Looks a lot better than a lot of the stuff around here. And this is a view from the front. So just zoom in there quickly. That was where the front door to the police station is, or was, should I say. As you can see, all the artwork / graffiti. But yeah, zoom back out. That's a view of this side of the site. But yes guys, got a bit done today. They have started working their way up that left hand side again, which is good. So hoping either tomorrow or the day after they're going to start coming back down the other side, which means some higher stuff's going to be coming down, which is what we want. So yeah, I'm going to end this video off today guys. Like I say, I will put Phil Nat 2011's channel in the description, so go and show him some support. But yeah, if you have liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, or if you're not subscribed already. I've been Sangrown Explorer, and I will see you on the next one. Oompa!